Rivers are not just lines on a map. They are living systems that shape land, climate, and civilizations. In northeast India, one river stands above all, the Brahmaputra. High in the Himalayas lies Mount Kailash, a mountain worshipped, not climbed. Beside it rests Lake Manasarovar, one of the most sacred and highest freshwater lakes in the world. Many people believe the Brahmaputra originates from Lake Manasarovar. But scientifically, its true source is the Angsi Glacier, located near the Kailash range. In Tibet, the Brahmaputra is known as the Yarlung Tsangpo. Here, it flows eastward across the vast Tibetan plateau for more than 1600 kilometers. Near the towering Namcha Barwa peak, the river makes a dramatic U-turn. This creates the Tsangpo Gorge, the deepest river gorge in the world. After this great bend, the river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Here, it is known as the Siang or the Dihang. Near Sadia in Assam, the Siang meets two powerful rivers, the Dihang and the Luit. From this confluence, the river takes the name Brahmaputra. In Assam, the Brahmaputra is lovingly called Luit. It brings fertile soil, supports agriculture, shapes culture, and sometimes causes floods. After flowing through Tibet, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, the mighty Brahmaputra enters Bangladesh. Here, it is known as the Jamuna River. The Jamuna merges with the Meghna River and together, they finally flow into the Bay of Bengal, forming one of the largest river deltas in the world.